What's going on, guys? It's Pauly from 771 Motorsports, and today we are installing some wide boy wheels on my 2006 Honda CRV daily driver, the MILF machine herself. For the new wheels, I decided to go with a set of Vision 16x8 with a 0 offset wheel. The CRV stock is a 16x6.5 with a plus 55 offset, so we're going to the 0 offset, should be pretty wide. But the idea is to have a bit of a off-road vibe to this car. You can see I went with the bull bar with the off-road lights, which is pretty sweet, the yellow fog lights, which is awesome, and then we got the roof rack up top as well for extra cargo space. I like to think of the CRV as kind of Honda's version of a Jeep. It's manual, it's all-wheel drive, it's plenty capable, tons of cargo space, fun to drive. I beat the shit out of this thing every single time I drive it. These are the rims and tires that came on the CRV when I bought it, and we got lots of tread. These still are pretty good shape. We're almost at the wear markers there. But the problem with these tires is this crazy dry cracking. And check out that DOT 2011. So these tires are 10 years old. And I know that Michelins tend to crack a lot, but I do a lot of driving, and especially I go to different appointments in Toronto, and I just don't want to risk any sort of blowouts. I don't want to risk any sort of punctures, especially having a sidewall blowout on me. So I figure, well, I gotta replace these tires, and if I'm doing the tires, might as well do the rims too. So I figured, hey, we'll get these Vision wheels, we'll try to do something crazy and stupid with this car, make it fun, make it enjoyable. I'm hoping that these new wheels and tires are gonna give this CRV a little bit more life, a little bit more pizzazz, a little bit more of that razzle dazzle, you feel me? The stock tires on the CRV are 215 65 16. So to accommodate the extra width, 16x8, I decided to go with something along the lines of a 235 60 16. The idea behind it was to have something that would be wide enough to accommodate the wider wheel, but then still maintain a little bit of that same diameter. The new wheels are on. Are you ready for this? I still gotta put the hubcaps on, the center caps, and obviously I gotta torque them up. I just kinda put them finger tight right now, but let's check this out. Can you see them? Oh shit, come on, let me give you a closer view, eh? Man, this completely changes the look of the car entirely. Let's see. Not bad. Is it wrong that I'm slightly disappointed that they don't stick out more? I mean, if you compare them to the stock wheels are a joke. She's sitting on her own weight. That's some nice poke. If it was more, it'd be even cooler, I swear. A set of wheels really makes or breaks a car, that's for sure. Holy smokes!
Holy smoke!
Holy shit! Holy shit! That's so wide in the back. Oh, it's even wider in the front. Holy shit! You can't even see it on the camera. Camera's too wide. Guys, ultimate comparison. Ironically enough, that's our next job at 771 Motorsports. Some rotted fuel lines, so fuel tank drop and fuel lines replacement. But it just so happens we have another CRV, bone stock, in stock. So let's check this shit out. We have the MILF machine, looking nasty. And now, stock wheels, stock offset. Nothing. That is ridiculously cool. We also just tested out to see if it rubs or not. And hard to believe, but it barely just touches right here in the back. And then a tiny bit in the front, right over here on the inside. So, I'd call it a job well done. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? One step, a little cooler. One step, a little more razzle dazzle. I think that was really cool. I think that was fantastic. Well, here's some more. Thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.